Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to upload your resume on LinkedIn. So let's open up the app, and as you can see, this is the interface of the app, and you're going to see the homepage just in front of you. Next up, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just click on your jobs right here at the below right corner. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just click the three dots next to the search jobs blank. Okay, sorry. Let me just go back or get back to it. I'm gonna click the three dots right here, and you're gonna see three options. Go ahead to the application settings. In the application settings, you're gonna see three options. You can save uploaded resumes, and you're gonna see right here upload resume. So just go ahead and upload resume through your files on your iPhone or on your Android, and just basically add the resume. So whenever you are applying for a job, you can use your resume as a way to apply for a job, right? Or you can just set up resume inside your LinkedIn, which might take some time, right? But the fastest way is to add your own resume via BTF. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.